শেষ হবে না। Good morning, dear students. My name is Abu Jihad Ansari, Associate Professor, Department of English, Raspberry Government Adarsh Women's College. Today we are going to read antonym and synonyms. Antonyms and synonyms. Short English short syllabus prescribed by NCTB, National Curriculum and Textbook Board. Part A, Grammar. Word formation. Synonyms and antonyms. Synonym and antonyms, compounds. Class number 11 and 12. একটি শব্দের সিনোনিম সমার্থক শব্দ বা অ্যান্টোনিম বিপরীত শব্দ বের করাটা নির্ভর করে প্রচুর পরিমাণ শব্দ জানা এবং একই শব্দের বিভিন্ন প্রকারের অর্থ জানার উপর। তাই প্রচুর শব্দ জানার কোনো বিকল্প নেই। তবে মনে রাখা জরুরি, নাউন, ভার্ব ও অ্যাডজেক্টিভ ও অ্যাডভার্বের সিনোনিম বা অ্যান্টোনিম অবশ্যই যথাক্রমে নাউন, ভার্ব, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, অ্যাডভার্ব হবে। অর্থাৎ এক্ষেত্রে শব্দের পার্টস অফ স্পিচ একই রাখতে হবে। এই জন্য সাফিক্সের উপর তথা নাউন, ভার্ব, অ্যাডজেক্টিভ, অ্যাডভার্ব ইত্যাদির উপর ভালো দখল থাকতে হবে। প্রিফিক্স, নন, মিস, নন কনফিডেন্স, অনাস্থা, মিসআন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং, অ্যাবনর্মাল, impolite, impossible, irrelevant, irregular, inactive, unkind, illegal, dishonest. Words with synonyms and antonyms. Now we are going to practice some synonyms and antonyms and the word meaning. Abduct, অপহরণ করা, abduct. Synonyms: kidnap, carry off, steal. Antonyms: surrender, release. Abeyance, স্থগতি অবস্থা, adjournment, postponement, suspension. Synonyms: antonyms: activity, revival. Ability, সামর্থ্য. Synonyms: capability, capacity. Inability, abridge, কমানো, সংক্ষিপ্ত করা. This is, now we are reading abridged syllabus. Abridge, কমানো, সংক্ষিপ্ত করা. Abbreviate, shorten, curtail. Abrogate, বাতিল করা. Synonyms: repeal, revoke, annul, cancel. Synonyms: antonyms: ratify, apply, approve. abscond, আত্মগোপন করা. decamp, escape, flee. Synonyms: antonyms: remain, stay. অ্যাক্রিডিট ক্ষমতা দেওয়া। এন্টাইটেল সিনোনিমস: এন্টাইটেল, অথরাইজ, এন্ট্রাস্ট, ডিসমিস, স্যাক। Now let us going to practice in exam system. Now let us going to practice antonyms and synonyms. Question like this: read the following passage. এই প্যাসেজটি পড়ো, and then write the antonym or synonyms of the words as dictated below. এই প্যাসেজটি পড়ো, read the following passage এবং write down the antonyms or synonyms of the words as dictated below. নিচে যে নির্দেশনা থাকবে সেই নির্দেশনা অনুসারে অ্যান্টোনিম অথবা সিনোনিমস লেখো। আফটার দ্য ফ্লাইট, হিউম্যান লাইফ ইজ ডাইনামিক অ্যান্টোনিম। ডাইনামিক অ্যান্টোনিম হচ্ছে লেথার্জিক, LETHARGIC, লেথার্জিক। Everyone therefore must have a plan to do something or to be something in life. Plan, পরিকল্পনা, অ্যান্টোনিম। প্ল্যান, অ্যান্টোনিম। আনসার, ভেঞ্চার। অ্যান্ড দ্যাট ইজ ওয়ান ম্যানস এইম ইন লাইফ। এইম মানে উদ্দেশ্য। এইম, সিনোনিমস। এইমের সিনোনিমস গোল, অবজেক্টিভ। A man without an aim has no direction and can never go ahead as expected. Direction, synonym. Direction synonym হচ্ছে টার্গেট। So everyone should choose a profession which suits him. প্রফেশন মানে পেশা। প্রফেশন সিনোনিম, প্রফেশনের সিনোনিমস হচ্ছে ক্যারিয়ার। স্যুট অ্যান্টোনিম। ম্যাচ হচ্ছে সিনোনিম মিসম্যাচ। The choice of profession depend on one's taste. The choice of professions depends on one's taste. একজনের প্রফেশন তার রুচির উপর নির্ভর করে। ইন্টারেস্ট, অ্যাপটিটিউড অ্যান্ড অ্যাবিলিটি। অ্যাপটিটিউড অ্যান্টোনিম, দক্ষতা। অ্যাপটিটিউড অ্যান্টোনিম ইনক্যাপাবিলিটি। These vary from person to person. Vary. Synonym. Vary মানে differ. Teaching is a noble profession. The teachers are nation builders. They educate the children and train them to become good and useful citizens in a future country. Citizen. Antonym, foreigner. Now let us practice another passage from Kumilla Board 2019. Modern education is read the following passage and then write the antonym or synonym of the words as directed below. Modern education is somewhat different from the past. In method, it seeks to draw out and improve the mind, to make it eager and curious. It depends more on observation and then mere bookish knowledge. A mind that is uh, intellectually alert will learn from the books. It develops the latent talent of any individuals. Teachers play vital role in teaching the students. They are not just instructors, rather they support and guide students so that the students can succeed in their way of life. This is the passage, and there are some given words and direction, synonym or antonyms. যেমন let us practice. Different synonyms, dissimilar. Seek, খোঁজা, synonym, search or find. Eager, antonym, eager, আগ্রহী, antonym. Apathetic, apathetic. Observation, synonym, examination. Mere, antonym, immense. Alert, synonym, vigilant. Latent, antonym, obvious. Instructor, synonyms, trainer.
বাবা 20 টাকা দাও।
Now let us practice another passage, Jessore Board, 2019. Read the passage and then write the antonym or synonym of the underlined words as directed below. This is the passage. Now let us read the passage. Courtesy is a virtue in a man. It goes without saying that courtesy costs us nothing but gives us a lot. So you should be courteous. You must have politeness. People will disrespect and dislike you if you are discourteous. Nobody likes discourtesy. Try to gentle from your student life. You can win the heart of your enemy by being courteous. You can ensure removal of hatred and anger by embracing your enemy. Courtesy can remove the bitter relationship and improve mutual understanding and cordiality among people. This is a passage that was said in Jessore Board 2019. There are some words you have to write down the antonyms or synonyms as directed in the passage. ভার্সু অর্থ গুণ, synonym, answer, goodness. A lot, synonym, প্রচুর, plenty, answer is plenty. Courteous, অমায়িক, opposite or antonym, make it antonym, rude. Discourtesy, synonyms, rudeness, enemy, synonyms, foe, F-O-E, foe, মানে শত্রু. Ensure, synonym, confirm. Anger, antonym, calm. Remove, synonym, dispel, cordiality, antonym, hostility. Now let us read another passage from Borishal Board 2019. In Bangladesh, students required to read English for about 10 years, but the level of proficiency there is very low. No wonder that most of them fail in their English test. People taking the civil service examination are also tested on their knowledge of English, but the results are equally disappointing. Almost all of them, the candidates have presumably master degree in various disciplines. Even those who pass or qualify are hardly able to write a free composition in acceptable English. Obviously, there is something seriously wrong with the teaching and learning of English in Bangladesh. Require, synonym, need. B. Proficiency, antonym, incompetence. C. Wonder, synonym, surprise. D. Tested, synonym, evaluated. Equally, antonym, unequally. Disappointing, synonym, disheartening. Presumably, antonym, surely. Qualify, antonym, certainly. Disqualify, perhaps. Wrong, synonym, error. This is the system. You write down the antonym or synonym of the given words and write down just the answer, not the write down only the answer serially, vertically. Vertically write down the answer, not horizontally. Now let us read another passage, Dinajpur Board. HSC examination 2018, Combined Board, Set Co. Question. Read the passage and then write the antonym or synonym of the words as directed below. After passage, there is a passage. Now let us read the passage. Books are the unique medium through which we contact mighty minds of ages. Books tell us about their feelings, what they said and what they did. Books are one of the greatest friends to us. They introduce us the best humanity. They are reliable records of the history. A book is valuable living voice. We can know about the thoughts and rituals of past men through books. We should read good books and avoid worthless ones. A good book is a friend of loneliness and a nurse in ailment. We can find real happiness by reading good books. This is a passage about reading books. Unique, antonym, common, usual, general. Weak, mighty, antonym, weak, powerless. Humanity, synonyms, compassion, generosity, humanness. Reliable, antonym, unreliable. Valuable, antonym, cheap, valueless, worthless, insignificant. Worthless synonym. Ritual synonym. Ceremony, tradition, custom, practical. Worthless synonym. Valueless, useless. Happiness antonym. Singleness, solitariness, sickness, disease. Ailment and synonyms. Sickness, disease. Happiness antonym. Sadness, sorrow, grief. These are the answer of the passage about reading books. Okay, let us stop this class. We'll go to the next class. So thank you.